It's been a while. I had gotten anything interesting to show you guys, but here we are. This is the Fiio KA5, their flagship USB DAC amp, priced at $130 as of now. It was initially launched at, I believe, $140, but is $130 now, or around 12,000 rupees. This is a upgrade to the K3 definitely, but the biggest thing that I can find is the display. It comes with a display. We will look into the functionalities when I assess the DAC cam properly, but in this video we are just looking at the unboxing of it. Interesting box. Fio usually doesn't do colors. They usually base their stuff on black. The packaging is most of the time black. There aren't any colors to look at, but this is kind of interesting. They have provided us with a silverish color here, which is a good thing. It looks different from the older products for sure, and that is a good thing. I do not find it to be anything bad or anything like that. Jade Audio. So I'm not sure what they are doing with this, but Jade Audio, the sistering brand, and why? That's something I'm unable to understand. It's a good looking piece. You guys can see, very good looking. The build quality is very similar to the KA3 for sure. Very similar to the KA3, but KA3 didn't had this glass back or anything like that. But here we have the glass back. Now this one has good amount of power. If I'm not wrong, this one does 125 MW in single-ended and 265 in balanced, which is very powerful for a small dongle, and the power draw will be on the higher side for sure. And another huge thing is this buttons. This is something the K3 didn't had, and thanks to the competition is providing buttons, and Fio 2 has provided buttons with this. So Type C, 4.4, 3.5 buttons. So that's the dongle. Let's look at the cables we are getting with it. Do we get anything else? No, nothing else. So here we are supposed to have a couple of cables, or one cable. Yeah, a couple of cables. So that's an interesting thing. We are getting a lightning adapter. That is a very good thing. This is a very good addition to this. These cables on their own sell for kind of 1,000 rupees, so that's a very good thing. 1,000 rupees, or say $15. And this is the C to C cable. This is a C to A adapter for laptop and PCs, and that's a good thing. There is no case or anything like that. This is the quick start guide, I believe, and that's it. This is what we get when we buy the Fiio KA3. So I'll be comparing it with the UA5 and link to Bell, X-Duo link to Bell, and we will see how this KA3 compares against them. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.